Good morning children. Today our topic is altitude of a triangle. See, in our daily life we might have seen in across the world height in different situations. However, we measure the height of different figures given here. See, one woman is there. In this woman we can observe the height of a woman. Here cone we can observe the height of a cone. Here gate, in a gate also we can observe the height of a gate. Tree, for tree also we can observe the height of a tree. Now see the altitude of a triangle. Altitude of a triangle means, see, one triangle I am drawing Nana. In this triangle I am keeping the points A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. In this from vertex A, we can draw so many line segments. We can draw so many line segments like this or like this. We can use for intersecting of BC line. Okay, now from A to vertex A, the intersection point of BC line means where I am getting. So here I got it. So here B perpendicular to BC. A is perpendicular to BC. Now let us see. This is the altitude of a triangle. This is line is known as altitude of a triangle. For example, if you take one more example, suppose this is also a triangle. This is also a triangle. Now I am keeping here points A, B, C. Okay, we can keep any points from vertex A. From vertex A, I am drawing a line, means this line. So this is the altitude of a triangle. This line is the altitude of a triangle, means A is perpendicular to BC line which intersects BC line. So this is the altitude of a triangle. Do you understand Nana? From vertex A, మనం ఎక్కడైతే vertex A నుంచి లైన్ కరెక్ట్గా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఎక్కడైతే వస్తుందో ఈ పాయింట్ని ఈ లైన్నే మనము ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ అని తీసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, డు యు అండర్స్టాండ్? ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మీడియన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్. మీడియన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ మీన్స్, నౌ లెట్ us take one paper. This is a triangle. Okay, this is a triangle. Now from vertex A, fold the paper to vertex. Now see Nana, this is a triangle. Now for example, if you take this one, this is a triangle. Okay, think for A, B, C for example. Okay, this is vertex A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C. From A to I am closing the paper, means now when I am folding the paper, we can observe one line segment. We can observe one line segment. Yes or no? We can observe a line segment. So this is the point which is the median line. Okay, this is the median line, means when I am folding the paper, this is the median line. This point, this line segment is the median line. So which is the midpoint of BC, which is the midpoint of BC. For BC line, this is the midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. So here I am keeping D. Okay, now see, when you are observing this triangle, we can see that D is the midpoint of BC line. D is the midpoint of BC line. So this is the altitude line and this is the median of a triangle. This is the median of a triangle. Do you understand Nana? ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి వర్టెక్స్ ఏ నుంచి మనము లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తామో ఈ లైన్ వచ్చేటప్పటికేమో ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ we have to take. This is the median of a triangle. Okay, now next one is centroid. Centroid means, what we have to take means, from this triangle only we can draw the from vertex C. From vertex C I am taking a line. This is the from vertex vertex C, I am drawing a line segment to BC. Okay. Now same process from B, from vertex B, I am taking a intersection point to AC, means here. Okay. Now when you are drawing the line, see from A to vertex D. Vertex D. So this is the centroid. This is the centroid. This is the centroid of a triangle. Now again I am repeating, see Nana, when you are taking from vertex A to BC line segment, here we can observe one angle. So it is a perpendicular angle, means this is known as altitude of a triangle. Median means exact for BC line. For BC line we had to take midpoint. The midpoint is known as median of a triangle. So the next one is centroid. Centroid means the four angles, the four sides which intersect at a point. The 4 points, the 3 points which intersect a point is known as centroid. Okay children, do you understand? The next one is from, by using these three we had to do the sums. Now let us see exercise 2. Exercise 2 sums. Exercise 2. See the first one. What is the first question? In triangle ABCD is the midpoint of BC. In triangle ABCD is the midpoint of BC. Now first one, in this they given one figure for you. They given one triangle, Nana. Now see the first one, AD is the dash. The second one, AE line segment is the now by observing this figure, see I already told this is the midpoint for BC line. So what we have to take midpoint means AD means what we have to take, AD line we have to take as AD line, what we have to take, AD line segment means what we have to take, it is the middle. Median means midpoint. So AD line is the median. Median. AD is the median. Exact in the middle we got it, Nana, for BC line. So that's why this is the midpoint. Okay. The next one is AE is the, AE means from vertex A we are intersecting BC line. So this is known as altitude. This is known as altitude of a triangle. Okay, once again I am repeating. See, from this figure we can observe BC line middle we are getting D point, means this is the median of a triangle. Now AE means from vertex A we are intersecting BC line, means here when we are getting straight means we have to take, this is an altitude of a triangle. This is a median of a triangle. Okay children, do you understand the first one? Now let us see the second one. See the second one, children. Name the triangles in which the altitude of a triangle or two of its sides. Name the triangle in which the two altitude of the triangle are two of its sides. So this is also a blank, Nana. See, name the triangle in which the two altitudes of a triangle are two of its sides. Means what we had to take here? Right angle. Here what we had to take, Nana? Right angles. Okay. In the next class we will see the sum or sums by using these altitudes of a triangle. Okay, children. In the next class we will meet some more sums. Thank you.